Welcome to your guide to the Chiro posture chair. Inside your packaging you will find a seat, one backrest, a 5-point base, set of arms, one gas lift and cover, a set of 5 casters. Assembly. Take the seat and put it on a secure raised platform. The box used for packaging is ideal. Put the arms in place and position them with the bolts provided. When all are secured, tighten fully. Push the casters onto the wheelbase. Please test the gas lift before fitting by pushing it down and ensuring it extends. Push the gas lift onto the base and place the cover over that. Take the seat unit and put that onto the top of the gas lift. Push the back stem through the chassis locator aperture. Lock it in place with the bolts provided. Finally, make sure all bolts have been tightened enough to safely secure all parts. The functions of your Chiro. Buttons on the side of the arms can be pushed in to release and lock the height adjusting arms to your desired position. The backrest works on a ratchet. Drop it to the lowest position and you can raise it and hear it lock in the position you require. The lever towards the front of the chair can be pulled up to enable the seat to slide forwards and backwards. The lever on the right will release the gas lift for height adjustment of the seat. The lever towards the back of the chassis can be pulled up to release the position of the backrest. Push it back down to lock in position. A third lever can be pulled up to adjust the angle of the seat and back. This feature unlocks the forward tilt mode for those users who prefer this position for working. That's it. Now enjoy your Chiro posture chair.